Okay, let me explain about stationary point. In mathematics, particularly calculus, a stationary point of differential function of variable is a point on the graph of the function when the function derivative is 0. Informally, it is a point when functions stop increasing or decreasing. Stationary points are easy to visualize on the graph of a function of one variable. They correspond to the point on the graph where the tangent is horizontal. Okay, let's look at this graph. The red circle is a stationary point. Okay, do you understand?
Yes!
Let's do some exercises, shall we?
Yes!
Okay, let me do the first exercise.
For this question, we need to find stationary number and value. We will use power rule to solve this question. Then we will factorize the answer. In stationary point, there is only one case, which is f prime x equal to 0. Then we will compare the answer that we get earlier to obtain stationary number. Then we obtain the answer for stationary number are x equal to 1 over 2 and x equal to -3. These are stationary number. To find stationary value, we will substitute the value of x into the original equation. When we substitute x equal to 1 over 2, the answer will become 9 over 4. Then we substitute x equal to -3, the answer will become 88. Finally, we obtain the answer for stationary value, which are 9 over 4 and 88.
Okay, I will do the second question.
For this question, we find the stationary function. First, we will differentiate the equation given. By differentiating this equation, we will get 12 over 5 x with the power of -2 over 5 minus 8 over 5 x with the power of 3 over 5. Then we will factorize it. And we will rearrange it to become 12 minus 8x over 5x with the power of 2 over 5. So with stationary point, there is only one case, which is f prime x equal to 0. So we will compare the answer we obtained earlier with 0 and get the answer x equals to 3 over 2. This is stationary number. When we obtain the value of x, we will substitute it into the original equation to get the stationary value. When we obtain the stationary number and value, we will obtain the stationary point.
So, I will do the third exercise.
For this question, we need to find the x-coordinate of stationary point. First, we will simplify the equation. Then, we will differentiate it. To find stationary point, we must find stationary number first. In stationary point, there is only one case, which is dy over dx equal to 0. So, we will compare the equation that we get earlier to 0. The final answer will be x equal to plus minus 1 over 2. We will substitute the value of x into the original equation to obtain the stationary value. When x equal to 1 over 2, the answer will become 2 over 3. When x equal to -1 over 2, the answer will become -2 over 3. This is stationary value. Finally, we obtain stationary point, which is x equal to 1 over 2 and y equal to 2 over 3, and the next point which is x equal to negative 1 over 2 and y equal to negative 2 over 3.